Heading to the waterfalls. It's the third floor. I think we're nearly there. Good. Nice walk through the jungle. Get into the water. Not for the faint-hearted. I'm sweating it out now. It's going to be worth it when I get there. There's the downhill part. Uphill was a killer. I'm just about there. It's a real rainforest, this one. Out in the bush. Philippines. Palawan. Mate, you gotta check this place out. Been everywhere around me. It's the hardest trek yet. But she's gonna be worth it. Alright. I think we're at the last one here. Alrighty, yeah. Check her out. Couple of frogs. Here we are. Time for a swim. That's the lion face. Ah, you can see it now. There you go. Goes down to the other falls. Righto.